welcome back to the channel. Today we might put more insulation in because the roof stopped leaking. Let's go.
So as in the last video you saw us fixing the roof up here, and it's not leaked. We had the smallest drips, and that's where we missed a screw hole from the old solar panels, which I feel like this morning it's bob on. So we're going to fit the rest of the insulation like Luna's just told you. We've already got some in. Oh, there, all down there. So Luna's got the knife, which is a bit worrying, and we're just going to cut some more insulation out and start spray gluing in. Get that spray glue good shape, Luna. What have we done with this on the floor?
We've not put it on the roof.
We've got to put it on the roof, haven't we? So we're going to put it up into this hole here.
And it is hard.
Is it hard?
Yeah.
Why is it so hard?
Because you have to do all this insulation for like 2 lots in a day, and it's very hard.
Should we get this all done today then?
It's very hard to cut it.
It's right, it is hard to cut, isn't it? Yeah.
And then we have to rip it.
Yeah. Do you reckon we'll get all this done today?
Not really. I think I want to do all this bit.
All this bit, yeah.
Some of that bit.
And some down the bottom, okay. Let's see how much we get done, yeah? What's coming, Luna?
A bus.
A bus is coming into it. Are you gonna wave?
Yeah.
So, YouTube video has gone live this morning, and obviously you guys commented on it, which is great. I'm sorry, but I am back on the roof with Sam. We're being very safe. We're sat down 90% of the time, and we're not going near the edge. But there's no real safe way of doing this.
That was the hole.
Oh, I found it. Look, it popped out. That's good, isn't it? We found this little hole.
Found the hole.
We found the hole, Luna.
Oh.
Luna's there. Nicole is behind her on the ladder. But yes, we're trying to be as safe as we can. This bit is now dry, so we're going to start preparing this surface. Got the motor tools ready to start getting all the old glue off. Then we need to sand it, score it, red oxide it, and go. So Nicole's going to go to Wilkinson's in a minute and get some more paintbrushes because we need that. And then we'll keep cracking on. Hopefully today, if the rain holds off, we'll have most of this painted, I think. Nice, isn't it?
You get brushed up.
Yep. So now we've obviously keyed it with a flappy disc all the way across. We're just going over with a sander, getting last imperfections off. Then we're going to put red oxide on this bit. Nicole's just gone to the shop to get some more rollers to protect it. Then we'll go over with the black stuff, but that needs a second coat as well. Slowly but surely, we're getting together. So we're now just going to put some red oxide onto this. We've prepped it, cleaned it off so it gives it some protection. So we're getting this side sanded off at the front now. Obviously we've gone down this bit which we've just seen on the drone, all the way down that side. Sam's just finishing off this corner, and then we'll start putting it on some of the black rubber paint. That's near enough dry as well, so we'll go there all the way down. And then the bottom bit needs a second coat as well. So we'll just keep going. So we've got probably halfway down the bus now with insulation. So Sam's very kindly gone and got his type of saw, is it, Sam?
Rail saw.
A rail saw, which is going to cut off that bit of the board so they can curve across the roof for the ceiling. We're going with 9mm ply. which will allow us to have the curve, but obviously a bit of structural integrity as well into the frame. So we'll cut this off and see how we're looking. Dead battery.
Go get the other one.
Thank you, Dave. Beautiful. So we've got the first coat on now and it's dried, so we're gonna get the hose pipe up here and just give it a quick of a water down and see if we get any leakage. Are you gonna tell me if it leaks, Poppy? Inside. Nicole's gonna chuck this up, see if we can get it. Oh, so close. So close, but so far. Right. Catch! Ah! It's just hit her in the face. Are you alright? Okay, so Mummy's gonna try again. We're gonna try and catch it this time. You ready? Oh! I hooked on my foot. I do. Right. So, Poppy, I'm going to put the water on. You go inside and see if it leaks. Yeah? Here we go. It's raining very hard in one place. So, Poppy, you inside, aren't you? Is it raining? You're down this middle seam here where we were having issues before. If you see steam, it's because it is hot water that's going on. Give it a good clean before we clean it. Let's paint it again tomorrow or at some point this week. Any leaks, Poppy?
Hey guys. I don't think it's leaking.